Hello friends, I am Professor Rahul Nikam from KTHM College, Nasik, Department Bio Printing Technology. Subject is Food and Pharmaceutical Packaging. Chapter is Introduction and Concept of Food and Pharma Packaging. Topic is Level of Packaging, means types of packaging. So let's start with packaging. Food packaging system that involves certain physical components and operations. There are major physical components are food, the package and environment. The major operations are the manufacture, distribution and the disposal of food package. In designing a food packaging system, these physically components and operations must be integrated efficiently to prevent over packaging or under packaging. So now we are discuss about classification of packaging. First is primary packaging, second is secondary packaging, third is tertiary packaging and fourth one is ancillary packaging material. So primary packaging. Primary packaging basically consists of product that directly come contact with the actual product like food, accessories, clothing and any gadgets. This section consists of all the packaging products included in retail packaging, food packaging as well as wide fill option that end users have been used. The primary packaging is usually seen single unit purchase by the consumer at retail store. For example, bottle of milk, box of chocolate, bag of potato chips, etc. Since the primary package is in direct contact with the food, it is in the best position to protect the product and promote the product. Primary container must so protect the product from damage from chemical and microbial contamination. Second is easy to handle, and primary container must not allow to product leakage, and second is not chemically react with product. Now secondary packaging. So what is secondary packaging? Secondary packaging are additional packaging material that improves the appearance of the product and include outer wrapper or label that do not make direct contact with the product. Also can supply information about the product and its use, means how to use. They should provide evidence of tampering with product. The secondary packaging usually corrugated fiberboard box that contain number of primary packages. The simplest type of secondary package is probably the plastic rings that hold several cans or bottles. The major role of secondary packaging is to facilitate handling of multiple primary packages in the retail shop. Now we are discuss about tertiary packaging. Tertiary packaging is one of the three type of wrapping used to protect manufactured good for shipping and storing. It is used to protect not only the product but also secondary and primary pack also. Tertiary packaging is typically not seen by consumer since it is usually removed by retailer before its display for sale. The tertiary packaging is one that hold a number of secondary package. An example, stretch wrap pallet of corrugated fiberboard. Its major role to facilitate handling in wholesale and retailer shop. Example, tertiary packaging might be include brown cardboard box, wooden pallets and shrink wrap also. So now it's ancillary packaging materials. Ancillary cover a large group of product and play a vital role towards completeness of package. Functions of ancillary packaging material. The ancillary packaging material along with the primary packaging material provide product package compatibility, product preservation, product protection, containment, identification, consumer convenience and consumer protection also. Ancillary material required for packaging adhesive, printing inks, label, caps, closure, reinforcement material such as tape and straps. We are using bubble film as an ancillary packaging material. Labels, caps, closures, tapes are also used as an ancillary packaging material. So which types of material we are used for primary, secondary and tertiary and ancillary packaging? Laminated pouches, plastic containers, thermoform products, tin cans, wet strength paper, lamitude, monocartons, retort pouches, paper foil laminated, composite cans, glass containers, shrink wrap, and so many types of material we are used as a packaging for primary. Now secondary packaging. Plastic carrots, plastic trays, EPS trays, wooden trays we are used as a secondary packaging material. Tertiary packaging. Corrugated fiber board, wooden carrots, wooden containers, wooden pallets, plastic pallets are used as a tertiary packaging material. Ancillary packaging material. Adhesive, printing inks, PP straps, PP means polypropylene, cap and closures, tapes, labels, cushioning material like bubble film, dry glass are used as a ancillary packaging material. Thank you. Thank you so much.